Ay.
Nagadugo na yun.
Beep. Hindi pa yun dyan na alam. Ito'y taguyudak. Ito'y taguyudak.
Naalam.
Kano yan dupa eh. Nagababa. Dahil dati pa nalabsam. Apay nagadualaan mo ngay.
Dapat utong na.
Ay wa, nagdagkan. Itaram nam ata ni dati bunga na. Nay?
Teman lang dati yun.
Apa dyan nangalaka niya yan? Nay, nagadupay lang nay.
Diyan nagawa ka raw.
Datapay nay. Tinay tanagugot.
Diyan.
Tanay.
Ang mga ugutan dito ang tagulo at
Nagbunga ah. Kan ori agutam labas eh.
Babatik na.
Isumot ag ko ah.
Madi ang. Sana. Ni agsabsabong.
Patit lang. Ni di mo kun ataram na ni may katasabong na. Tano agadot ti ugo na. Agan agbunga.
Agbong bunga nga rin na.
Ay.
Sayang sa buhay.
Ayan na.
Tagbunga na.
Ito. Di pa bangir. Pinagadugot alaam.
Ito. Ibaga. Ay na.
This is the one our house backside. It's harvested. Like that.
Nanganak ka magpagitan.
Now it's time to eat. So let me show the dish what they have prepared. And I already included in this video before. You can see that they pick the ampalaya and the and also this is the dish. See, this is kamutel. I mean sweet potato leaf,
No.
right?
Putok, sitaw.
Oh, sitaw, sorry. And this one, see the ampalaya. This is the bittergourd. Here in the back side of the house, we take it. It's our own, no preservative. And this one, pumpkin. This pumpkin is also very fresh, no preservative. Everything is fresh. And now it's very too much raining outside. and it's so hard to make like soup and to eat with the rice. I'll taste first the soup without rice, how it tastes. I cannot hold it because it's hot. In this chillness outside, it's very good. Because you can feel when you eat the soup like this. Everything mixed and only just put salt, not too much masala. You will don't use too much masala, just the salt and also with a magic syrup, something like a little bit. That one we will add. It is and bagoong we add a little bit only, not too much. So it's not too much salt also. You can feel the bitterness, saltiness and some the pumpkin sweetness also you can feel it. It's very good, nice. When you eat this soup, I want to taste it one more time because I like it too much. See how it is. Okay, let me eat with the rice. My God, hot. I cannot hold it. We put some pork also. See, I'll show you. See, the pork also we put some. I'll taste first. Very hot. The pork is very soft. When I touch this one itself, it's very tender. Yeah, it's tender, nice. I will eat. And this one is sita, this one. I will eat with the rice. Little bit of that. And some the leaves also. Very tasty because it's cold and the hotness. I feel the taste. It's too much fresh also. Yeah, it's nice. Okay guys, it's too much and I have to finish up and I want to finish up this bowl and let me show you on another video like this. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell button also. Okay, God bless everyone. Thank you. Bye.